creepy people, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another horror pack unboxing. Today we are going to be doing the May 2019 horror pack unboxing, and this one is going to be a little bit quicker than all of my other ones because usually I will go through and review all of the movies from last month, but honestly, life has been so incredibly busy. I have not had time to watch the April horror movies yet, so we will save that for the next horror pack unboxing and I will review all of the movies. So I'm sorry about that. I know a lot of you are really looking forward to a review of some of those movies, but you know, life has been crazy, work has been crazy. So in this video, we're just going to be unboxing the new movies that we got from Horror Pack. For those of you who are unfamiliar, Horror Pack is a horror movie subscription service where every month you get 4 new DVDs and or Blu-rays. I will put a link right at the top of the description box for those of you who are interested. Don't worry, it's not an affiliate link. I'm not making money off of your click. It's just a link for you guys to easily access it, and you guys can check out what kind of plans they have. You can either get a DVD pack, you can get a Blu-ray pack. Me personally, I have been getting the Blu-ray packs because I have a ton of DVDs, but I really want to build up my Blu-ray collection, so that is the pack that I personally go with. I just want to give a huge shout out to Horror Pack themselves for sending me these movies every month to do these unboxings. I know a lot of my subscribers out there are also really big horror movie fans like myself. Also, hopefully you guys can hear me okay. I am still trying to figure out the audio situation. I tried messing again with the settings on my camera. Hopefully it's not too loud. Hopefully it's not too echoey. I still haven't adjusted to like my new filming room yet in my new place, so I have no idea what the audio sounds like. I don't know if it's good, bad, so you guys will have to let me know. Hopefully it's not too quiet either, so it's just a lot of trial and error trying to figure all this shit out. But without all that blabbering going on, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So as you can see right inside, we have 4 new Blu-rays in here. I have absolutely no idea what they are, but I am super excited to dive right into this. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm really excited. So first, I'm just going to take the one off the very top this time. And this one is... okay, I don't think I have ever seen this before, but the first movie that we got in our May 2019 horror pack is The Resident, and this is with Hilary Swank, really great actress, and Jeffrey Dean Morgan, another really great actor. I believe he's in The Walking Dead, I'm pretty sure, and he's in a bunch of other movies that I absolutely love. So this is the first movie. Again, never heard of it, but I am very interested in it because we do have a lot of really good actors and actresses in it. So on the back it says, Juliet, a beautiful doctor, has found the perfect New York apartment to start a new life after separating from her husband. It's got spacious rooms, a spectacular view, and a handy, handsome landlord. But there are secrets behind every wall and terror in every room as Juliet gets the unnerving feeling that she is not alone. She is being watched. She is being stalked, and no one is safe when she discovers the relentless horror on her doorstep. But how do you stop an evil that you can't see until it's too late? Yes, this is the first movie so far, off to a really good start. I'm really excited to see this. This definitely looks like a movie that I would be interested in, and you can tell right away that this is going to be kind of like a higher budget movie because of the actors that they have in it. So hopefully it's a good movie. Hopefully it's not a letdown. Have you guys seen this movie? Did you like it? Were you happy with it? Were you not happy with it? Let me know down in the comments. Alright, so we have 3 movies left, and the next one I'm going to take off the very bottom. And the next one we got is Werewolf, The Beast Among Us. That's what this one looks like. And honestly, I have never heard of this movie before. This doesn't look like it's a Horror Pack Unlimited, so yeah, I have no idea. Stephen Bauer, Stephen Ray, and Ed Quinn are in this movie. This is the unrated version, and it looks like kind of like a werewolf movie, I guess. So on the back it says, Werewolf, The Beast Among Us takes Universal Studios' historic monster legacy to an all-new level of chilling action and terrifying suspense. When a mysterious creature terrorizes a village by moonlight, a local man named Daniel convinces a team of skilled werewolf hunters to let him join their quest to hunt it down. But as the villagers are attacked one by one and turned into vicious beasts, Daniel begins to fear that this ruthless foe is someone closer than anyone thinks. Starring Ed Quinn, Stephen Ray, Nia Pepples, and Stephen Bauer. So this sounds kind of interesting. I really do like American Werewolf in London. I think that's the name of that movie. Really good movie, so if this is anything similar to that, I'm sure it'll be really good. But we're just going to kind of have to see. Monster movies aren't really my jam. I mean, unless they're like the old classics. So I'll give this one a chance. I'll give it the benefit of the doubt, and I'll see how it is. And I will definitely report to you guys next month and let you know what I think of it. Alright, so like I said, guys, this video is going by really, really fast because we only have 2 movies left in here. Again, I'm going to take off the very top. And this one is... Oh, wow. Okay. This one is called The Gallows. Every school has its spirit. So here's what the cover of this one looks like. Really, really digging the cover art. I really like the dark, the red and black. I think that's really cool and creepy. Oh my gosh, I've seen this before. This movie's actually really good. This movie is from the producers of Paranormal Activity and Insidious. And this movie is actually really good, really, really creepy. So on the back it says, in 1993, an accident results in the death of an actor during a high school play. 20 years later, a theater group at the same school resurrects the production to mark the tragedy. In an attempt to sabotage the play, 3 students break into the school at night only to discover that the horrors of the past don't always stay buried, as their own cameras capture a series of chilling, inexplicable incidents that leads to a shocking climax. So, yes, I have seen this movie. I think I saw it on either Hulu or Netflix before, I'm pretty sure. Right, and we have 1 movie left in here, and I'm pretty sure this is going to be our monthly Horror Pack Limited Edition. And so far, yep, this is what it is, Horror Pack Limited Edition Blu-ray. And this one is called Vivid. So here is what the cover of this one looks like. HorrorSociety.com says, not your run-of-the-mill horror picture. So this does seem like it's going to be a little bit different, but let's go ahead and see what it says on the back. A sociopathic killer known as the Man of Sin, with his hand deep into the metaphysical world, feels that he has committed all the atrocities that he can on this plane of existence, leading him to experiment with placing his own mind within the consciousness of others and manipulating their actions, all with the intent of experiencing their life and their death. So that had a lot of really big words in it, and let's be honest, like, I don't really understand what the hell this movie is about, so I guess the only way I'm gonna really know what this movie is about is if I watch it. Again, the cover art's kind of cool, really kind of mysterious, really kind of catches your eye, like, what does that mean? Alright guys, and those are the 4 new movies that we got in this horror pack. I'm really pleasantly surprised and pleased with everything that we got. I think the 2 that I am most excited to watch is definitely The Resident, and I'm honestly really excited to see this one. This one just looks really, really interesting to me. So let me know down in the comments, have you seen any of these movies before? Did you like any of these movies before? Which one are you most curious in seeing? I would love to read your comments and your answers down below. Also, don't forget that if you guys are new to my channel and you are just stumbling upon this video, make sure you go down and give this video a huge thumbs up, and make sure you go down and subscribe. I do upload every 3 to 4 days on this channel. Also, make sure you go down and follow me on all of my social media links below. But that is everything that I have for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. I love having subscribers that are horror fans just like myself. I love doing these videos for you guys. I love watching all these new horror movies. It's a lot of fun for me. And at the same time, I'm building my horror movie collection, which is just awesome all in its own. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so, so much. Thank you so much for watching these videos. I love you guys, and I will see you very, very soon in my next video. I love you guys again, and stay creepy.